Welcome to Glimpse, where we help you leverage AI to make real money online. Today, we'll discuss how to sell AI-powered services on Fiverr and Upwork and the best strategies to succeed even if you have no prior experience. Why is selling AI services a golden opportunity? Businesses and individuals are always looking for fast and cost-effective solutions, and AI delivers exactly that. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, ElevenLabs, Runway ML, and more, you can offer high-quality services with minimal effort. The demand for these services is growing daily, making this a perfect opportunity to generate income. Best AI-powered services you can offer: AI content writing. Use ChatGPT to create articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. AI logo and graphic design. Use DALL, Midjourney, or Canva to generate high-quality designs. AI voiceovers and podcast narration. Use ElevenLabs or Play.ht to create professional, human-like voiceovers. AI video editing and animation. Tools like Runway ML and Pictory help you produce professional videos effortlessly. AI-generated music and sound effects. Use Aiva or Sounddraw to create original music for commercial use. How to get started on Fiverr and Upwork. 1. Create a professional profile. Use a clear photo and write a bio that highlights your AI skills. To set up attractive gigs, use compelling titles like AI-powered logo design in 24 hours. 3. Showcase your work. Generate professional samples using AI tools to attract clients. 4. Promote your services. Don't rely solely on the platform. Market your gigs on LinkedIn, Reddit, and Facebook groups. 5. Deliver great customer service. Quick responses and high-quality work will earn you positive reviews, boosting your reputation. How to increase your earnings and scale up. Gradually raise prices, increase your rates as you gain positive reviews. Offer service packages, provide basic, standard, and premium options to attract different types of clients. Expand your services. If you start with AI writing, consider adding AI video editing or design services. Use Fiverr's paid promotions. Boost your gig's visibility with paid ads for more sales. Build a strong personal brand. A consistent brand identity will help make your services stand out. Conclusion plus call to action. AI is your gateway to making money online efficiently and smartly. You don't need prior experience, just leverage these tools and start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Glimpse and turn on notifications for more content on AI, investing, and online income. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to help. See you in the next video.